Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at the world of the Incas. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. All right, here we go. The first cultures of South America developed in the Andean region. The earliest was the Chavin culture, named for the ruins at Chavin de Huantar in Peru. Around 900 BC, the people built a huge temple complex. Chavin's arts and religion influenced later peoples of Peru. Later, between AD 100 and 700, the Moche people lived along the north coast of Peru. They improved farming techniques, built roads, and used relay runners to carry messages. They also used adobe to build the largest adobe structure in the Americas. Skilled artisans worked in textiles, gold, wood carving, and ceramics. The Nazca people lived between 500 BC and AD 500. They are known for the geoglyphs they etched in the desert of southern Peru. East of the Nazca, the city of Huari controlled mountains and coastal areas in Peru. To the south, Tiahuanaco became a powerful city on Lake Titicaca. The two cities may have been connected through trade or religion because their artistic styles are similar. The most powerful of the Andean peoples were the Inca. Their civilization began in the 1100s, but greatly expanded its power after 1438. That is when Pachacuti Inca Yupanqui, a skilled warrior and leader, declared himself Sapa Inca, or emperor. Eventually, the Inca Empire controlled 2,500 miles along the Andes, from Ecuador to Chile. The Inca built a network of roads of about 14,000 miles, winding through deserts and over mountains. The roads allowed news and armies to travel quickly throughout the empire. All roads led through the capital Cusco. Various culture groups from all over the empire lived in this city. The emperor had absolute power and was also the religious leader. Inca rulers ran an efficient government, nobles ruled provinces, and local officials handled everyday business. Officials kept records on colored, knotted strings called quipu. Everyone had to speak the Inca language and follow the Inca religion. Each village, or ailu, had a leader who assigned jobs and organized work for the government. Farmers created terraces to farm the steep hillsides. They spent part of the year farming for their village and part working land for the emperor. The Inca worshipped many gods, but the chief god was Inti, the sun god. Religious festivals occurred each month to celebrate the forces of nature that were important to the Inca. Okay, recap. South America's first cultures got their start in the Andes, where the Chavin people around 900 BC built a temple so impressive that later Peruvians basically said, "Let's copy their vibe." Fast forward a bit, the Moche, AD 100 to 700, took innovation up a notch with fancy roads, relay runners, the original mail service, and an adobe megastructure. Meanwhile, the Nazca decided to leave giant desert doodles visible from space, because why not? Cities like Huari and Tiahuanaco flexed their power with trade, religion, and matching art styles, proving they were basically besties. Then came the Inca, who in the 1100s decided, let's build a 2,500-mile empire, 14,000 miles of roads, and a system so efficient it makes modern bureaucracies blush. Their emperor was top dog and high priest. Their records were kept on knotted strings, quipu, and their farmers turned mountains into gardens. Oh, and they threw sun god parties every month because Inti deserved it. There you have it, folks. That is the world of the Incas nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to make sure that you are part of the world of the Nutshells by going nuts on the like and subscribe buttons. It is a good world to be part of. All right, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.